I'm Haley. I'm going to show you how to make a 1-minute microwave cheesecake. It's cheap, simple, and healthy. The ingredients that you will need are vanilla, sugar, 1 egg, sour cream, lemon juice, and cream cheese. You can add your choice of toppings, but for this video, I will be using whipped cream, strawberries, and blueberries. The materials that you will need to make the cheesecake are a small mixing bowl, a spoon for mixing the ingredients, half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, and any microwave safe container to cook the cheesecake in. I suggest that before you start, you should measure out all your ingredients before you start mixing. This will make things a lot more easy. The first ingredient that I'm going to start with is sugar. For this one, I'm using 4 tablespoons, but you can use anywhere from 2 to 6 depending on how sweet you want it. Another option for sugar is sugar substitute such as Splenda. The next ingredient is a half teaspoon of lemon juice. Next, 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Next, you will need cream cheese, 2 ounces, which is 4 tablespoons. The next ingredient is vanilla. You will need a 1/4 teaspoon for this. And lastly, you will need 1 egg. After mixing all of the ingredients together, the next step is to pour it into a microwave safe container. The only thing standing between you and that cheesecake is 90 seconds. Place a container into the microwave. You will need to stop the microwave in 30-second increments to stir. Set the timer to 90 seconds. This dessert can be served chilled or warm, but for this one I will be serving it warm. This next step is optional, but you can add as many toppings as you want or none. The most important step of all, enjoy. I hope this video helped you make a fun and healthy snack for next year when you are at college. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching!